Hey guys, welcome back. We haven't made any videos lately, if you've noticed, and we have some other things we had to deal with, but we got plenty of content to share, so stick around, and those videos will be coming as soon as we can get them out. Life in an RV, something's always breaking, right? Today, we got a little repair to do. It's our rock guard. Broke the support that we put on it. We'll show you that in a little bit, but for now, we're gonna get ready to go to the store, me and a couple of little helpers, and get the materials that we need. We'll see you there. We are the Savages. In 2022, we sold our home and most of our belongings to enjoy life now, not later. Follow along as we see where life takes us, exploring new places, thrills, and adventures. All right, here's my helpers. You guys ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go. You get the front seat? Oh.
How big do we need?
We need 6 foot aluminum, like this here. All right, so this is our rock guard. This is the Ultraguard that we actually got off Amazon, which is a much better value than the branded Holiday Rambler one, which was going to be a ridiculous price. So we went with this. We opted not to get their mounting plate, instead just getting a piece of angle from like Home Depot. But as you can see, at some point we hit something here and it actually broke our plate. It looks like it actually maybe caught on our other mounting spot that we have our sewer tank, and just kind of that was like the moment, and it just cracked over and cracked our metal. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to take this out and replace that and get this back under the rig. Alright, so we're here in Grandma and Grandpa's barn, which makes it really nice to actually be able to work. Got some gloves on. It's covered in brake dust and everything else to make it a little bit easier. First thing we got to do is come and zip off all these nuts and bolts that we have attaching the broken angle. So that's what we're going to get set up and do now. So it turns out we got the wrong size.
How big do we need?
We need 6 foot. So, time to head back to the hardware store. So we have our angle iron here, finally. Actually took 2 trips to Home Depot because we grabbed the wrong size. Or I grabbed the wrong size. Either way, it's here. It's an 8 foot long piece, but it does need to be trimmed. Our next step, we got that cut to length, and now we're going to take off the old one so that we can transfer the holes to the new angle iron. Alright, so we got our broken piece of angle off, and now our next job is to transfer the holes, since we line drilled them from the rubber, from that to here. So we're going to do that. Alright, so we got our holes all drilled now. We'll see if it fits. What do you think?
It fits.
Okay. He says it fits. Look at that. Fits. That's awesome. All right, we're gonna tighten up a couple of these just so that way we can get the other holes drilled before we tighten everything down. Tight.
What?
All nice and tight. Okay. All right, so instead of these little guys, we went to the store and picked up these anchor shackles. So hopefully this will be a whole lot easier to slide on and way easier. So before I get too carried away here, I'll also make sure we slide our chain on. And we'll put this one on and that one, and then we'll put it on the rig. All right, so here we are under the rig, and you can see we got our sewer tote under here. Put a bracket on, did that. And then right up here is our little eye hook that we fastened to the frame. There's one here and one on the other side. And so now all we got to do is take our little quick link and fasten it up. Now, you also notice that we're dragging the ground, but that's the thing, we have liquid springs, so we're actually lower than our normal drive height. When we go to leave this location, what we'll probably do is we'll just verify that we don't need to change this up a little bit, but that should be just about the right spot. So we'll just tie both these in, and that'll be it for this particular repair. All right, and our rock guard's back on. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this helpful, go ahead and subscribe, click that like button, and stay tuned for our next video.